Hey guys, welcome to VA Store. My name is Paul from VOGUE Automotive, and today we're going to replace a full three-piece diffuser for our G82 M4 shop car. Diffuser comes from SOOQOO. It's a three-piece, fully direct replacement. The installation is not very difficult, but we're still going to do a step-by-step guide for all you DIYers at home. So enough talking, let's get this installed. So moving on to the rear diffuser. In normal circumstances, you wouldn't need to remove the wheels, but in this case, because we've got LED rear light diffuser fitted currently, and we've got the wire moved from the diffuser to the rear light, we need to pull the bumper slightly back to take the wire out. After that, everything's pretty straightforward. What do we think about new rear end for M4? I think it looks really good. This diffuser is way more aggressive than the previous one, protrudes out way more towards the back. Then you've got these corner splitters making the car wider. I do like especially this line, but the whole picture we will have when we're gonna get the side skirts fitted. So we'll have this full SOOQOO body kit on the car. If you like this video, make sure you click the box up here to watch more similar components installation videos. Make sure to like, subscribe and follow our channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon.